Let us start with trigonometry class 10, which is included in this session term 1 as per the new syllabus. So the word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words tri, which means three, gon, which means sides, all the sides, and metron. Metron means the measure of each angle. Now these are the trigonometric ratios, the table that you'll have to learn. But to make it easier, let's do something good and interesting. So let us see how to make this table very easily. I'll quickly make a table. So we will now define what is sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90, cos 0 and so on. Alright, so now to make it easier, let's do one thing. We'll write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and सबके नीचे 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4. And quickly we'll make a square root of all these. So 0.4 is 0. 1 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. 2 upon 4, let's just cut it in the square root only. 2. And now 1 upon root 2. This will be root 3 upon 2. And this will be 1. Easy. Now to determine the value of cos, we'll start from here. 1, 1, root 3 by 2. This will come here only. This will come here. And this will come here. Is this easy? Now, to determine the value of tan, we should know that tan's formula is tan theta का formula क्या होता है? Sin theta upon cos theta. Alright, so what we'll do is 0 upon 1, sin का 0, cos का 1, that will be 0. 1 upon 2 upon root 3 by 2. 2 and 2 कट गया, आ जाएगा आंसर 1 by root 3. Then 1 upon root 2 upon 1 upon root 2 will be equal to 1. Then root 3 upon 2 upon 1 upon 2. 2 and 2 again कट गया, आंसर आ जाएगा root 3. This will be 1 upon 0. This will become infinity, or we can say not defined. इसकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं होगी. Now you will see that there are 3 more values: cot, secant and cosecant. I would like you to make the table on your own. Cot का formula I will tell you. Cot is equal to cos upon sine. Any similarity between tan theta and cot theta? Tan theta is sine upon cos and cot is cos upon sine. Alright, so with this we can also say that cot is the reciprocal of tan theta. Is it okay? Then comes secant theta. Secant theta is again easy. It is 1 upon cos theta. So whatever the value is of cos, like cos 0, and you have to define the value of secant theta, then you can say 1 upon the value of this comes 1. It will be 1. secant 0 will be equal to 1. Then comes our cosecant theta, which is equal to 1 upon sine theta, the reciprocal of sine theta. Now you can continue the table on your own. Next comes our ratios. There are certain ratios that we need to define now. Before this, you need to understand what is a right angle triangle. It's this AC is the hypotenuse, the slant. This is side adjacent to angle A. It is very important to understand what is angle A. This is the angle A. So this is the side adjacent. Adjacent means neighboring. And this side is side opposite to angle A. Alright, so it is very important. Now you will see why it is important. Because to understand the value of sine theta, alright, this will be used in questions. Do not compare it with the previous slide. Alright, so sin theta की अगर value को define करना हो, so it is side opposite to angle A whole upon hypotenuse. Which further means that sin theta is equal to BC upon, I think I'm clear. Then comes our cos theta. अब cos theta क्या होता है? It is side adjacent to angle A. Okay, now making a very small correction. Then you need to find not sin theta, not cos theta. Then you need to find sin A. Get sine of angle A. And now here cos of angle A. Then you will see sin A will be side opposite to angle A. Okay? And then cos A, then side adjacent to angle A. Whole upon hypotenuse. Is it clear? Now comes tan A. As you all know, as discussed before, it is sin A upon cos A. Alright. So sin A क्या था हमारा? Side opposite to angle A upon hypotenuse. And cos A is side adjacent to angle A upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse cut हो जाएगा and we'll get side opposite to angle A upon side adjacent to angle A. Also, cos A is equal to side adjacent to angle A. So this is the side AB upon hypotenuse is हमारा AC. So we can also say side opposite to angle A अब किस क्या है हमारी BC upon side adjacent to angle A क्या है हमारी. I think these all are very clear. This. Next comes is हमारा cot A, cosecant A and secant A. Again, cot A will be the reciprocal of tan. So we can say AB upon BC. Cosecant is 1 upon sine theta, sine A. So basically it will be reciprocal of sine A, that is AC upon BC. And secant is reciprocal of cos A. So it will be AC upon A. These are all some ratios relating to sides. Now let us see if you need to find sine C. Then what will be the formula? For sine C, this will be the side opposite to this side will be side opposite to angle C, and this will be side adjacent to angle C. So if you need to find out sine C, then it will be AB upon AC. Alright, side opposite to angle C upon the hypotenuse. Similarly, find cos C. This you can do it on your own now. If you got the slide, then you will be able to do this on your own.